Dear students, welcome back. In this fifth session of our course TVEC, once again I welcome you all. This particular video is about giving you the abstract of what this lecture will be all about. So in this lecture fifth, which I have titled as Verification, Flow and Planning, we will be moving towards the verification chapter. So here we are starting the second chapter, which is verification. And first of all, we will understand that in the overall design flow, where exactly the verification flow is. And then in verification also, what are the different steps of verification. So it's not like that ki you are writing a simple test bench for adder and you are done. Here I am talking about a big giant code, which may be a microprocessor code, which may be a microcontroller code, which may be a complete ASIC for your mobile phone. So I am talking about a giant design code with so many functionalities, and we want to verify that code. So while we want to verify this code, it cannot be simply started without a proper planning and it's without proper thought process. So here we will learn what basically the aspects of verification planning, what is the different steps of verification flow, which are the requirements for verification, and what at the end of verification flow completed we will be achieving. In the subsequent lectures, we will pass through each of the steps. We will write test bench, we will go with functional coverage, code coverage and different metrics of the verifications quality. But in this particular lecture, we will be talking about verification flow and planning. So, okay, see you there. Bye.